This is showing you how to easily download your student names and IDs from Moodle. So once you go to your course, you're going to click on this course and you're going to go down to grades. And after you click onto grades, it'll take you to the grades page. And you click on the scroll down grade report. You scroll down to the bottom and you're going to export Excel spreadsheet. After you click that, it'll take you here. You scroll all the way down to the bottom. This has all your activities and everything for your course. You're going to select all or none to deselect everything because you don't want to download everything. And once you click it, all the little check marks should disappear. Then you click download. Right after you click download, you save your Excel sheet, names and IDs, wherever you want to save it. And when you open up the document, it'll look something like this. So I have the first name, surname, and ID number. So that's really the only information you really need for most of our documents. The rest of the stuff I usually just highlight and delete. And I spread these out a little bit just so I can see and make sure everything looks okay. IDs look okay. And keep these titles at the top because you need to keep those. So after you delete the extra information, I also add a T1 because for example in the rubrics you have to have a teacher 1. So I put my name and then I'll grab this little box, I'll drag it down to the bottom, and that automatically duplicates my name and everywhere. So once that's done, you go to File, Save As, save it where you want to save it, and then you use it to make your rubrics. That's it.